What's going on? What's up? Hey, what's happening? Happy Monday. You ready to day trade? Market is getting crushed. Crushed. All right. Let me let everybody inside the room. Let's get to work. Hopefully y'all had a good weekend. Back at it, ready to trade these Apex accounts. Working today on this 50th. Actually, today I'm copy trading, so it's my last week of really practicing, right? Y'all know that I'm brand new to this charting package, CR charts. Brand new to this prop firm stuff, whole brand new system, day trading, not options, day trading. So I'm testing it out. And, my goal in February is to really start hitting this. And, I'm brand new. We have a mastermind group. We're all brand new to this. We're doing this together, trying to trade these prop firms, but not just trade these prop firms. It's a brand new chart and a brand new system. Okay, brand new. And these Eurinko charts are crazy. So, see what happens, right? But I'm trading these Apex. I got a lot of Apex. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, Jeff. Good morning, bud. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, my man. Doing pretty good. How about yourself, brother?
Hey, doing all right. Had a pretty good weekend. And
All right.
just kind of waking up to this open source AI news this morning, man.
Yeah, so what happened? I don't really know much. So what happened?
So there's a Chinese startup that's called DeepSeek or DeepSeek. And they have been working on supposedly this open source AI model. They claim that they had $6 million invested in, cheapest thing ever, and it's supposed to be the most efficient in terms of computing power, processor usage, and blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. I mean, I think it's probably just a move to counter Trump's announcement.
Yeah.
I really do. I think everybody's just completely overreacting to it, but I'm really kind of concerned about the fact that they're putting this big open source AI on the market.
So my point. Well, why are you concerned? Like, what is what's the deal? I don't forgive my ignorance, but who cares?
Oh, no. I mean, it's just with open source AI. I mean, you're really letting the genie out of the bottle for people to really take and I mean, people can do good things with it. People can do bad things with it. I mean, it really with open source, it just opens itself up to more, creative use of the technology. Let's put it that way. I mean, you can use it openly, so they can develop anything they want. So, like I say, it's too new. I've just seen just the headlines this morning, but got to dig a little deeper.
Yeah, I don't see. I mean, none of that even concerns me. These people are stupid, but the good news is their stupidity leads to opportunity.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's the whole thing. So, what's this market going to do once it pulls its head out of its rear end? It's going to buy the dip and up we go. So.
Yeah, exactly. That's cool. I was just curious. Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah.
People are dumb.
Yeah, I've been playing with AI a little bit. I'm not real cozy with it right now. I'm just being very cautious with it. But I mean, from a productivity perspective, it's got some really good features.
Gotcha, brother. Gotcha. All right, well, good deal. Cool. We'll see how it shakes out. John, what's going on, John?
Good morning.
All right, brother. Oh, man.
Can't wait to get those new charts.
Oh, yeah, that ain't never going to happen for me, brother. That ain't never going to happen for me. This is exactly where I'm standing right here. Right here is where I'm standing. They can do all they want, but there ain't no way. I will actually, if these charts got turned off and we were forced to use the other ones, I would actually just quit the program and use this and start trading the ES on my own with this. Now that I understand that I can trade the ES with these prop firm stuff as well, I just have to get used to the CR charts. Yeah, there ain't no way I'm trading. I understand why they're talking about it, but I'm not stopping nothing. I can guarantee you.
Did I miss something here?
Well, yeah. Well, you're just glad you didn't show up on Saturday. We'll talk about it later.
All
right. Brandon's in a work conference. He won't be able to join us. So it's going to be us. Probably Jason will pop in here. let this, but I am going to let it shake out for a couple minutes. Look like it's pretty crazy here at the open. I would expect a lot of craziness. And definitely not skilled enough to handle this with these damn Yoringo charts. But we got lots of talking this week. I'm actually really excited for this week. And I want to use this week to get everything done. Get ready to rock. I mapped out my game plan. The only thing that I really took good out of Saturday, and I was just listening to it because I was at baseball, was the not the money management, the withdrawal, kind of the game plan once you start trading these PAs, taking out money, leaving a buffer. That to me was very, very interesting. And I wrote down kind of how I'm going to attack it. So I did like that. Other than that, I mean, we already used the Fibonacci's. So I'm not going to take a higher high at a Fibonacci. Absolutely not. That's not a chance. I'm not going to take a lower low, but I will take a higher low at a Fibonacci or a lower high. So that's not going to be my style for sure. So we'll talk a lot about it, I'm sure, but it was crazy, crazy, crazy. So Brant, let me see here. All right. But this market is taking a beating. S&P's not, Dow Jones isn't too bad though. What's interesting is the Dow Jones, look at that fucking move. Dow Jones is down 209. Nasdaq's down 660. S&P's down 100. So the Dow's not bad. Look at this move right here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at that candle. Mother of God. Again, these people overreact. That's stupid. People are dumb. But the good thing is that has absolutely nothing to do with our trading. And at the end of the day, if those retards want to sell everything, then the smart people will pick it up cheap. But here for this trading, I can care less, man. I'm just trying to, like you guys, we're just trying to trade the swing really quick, get in and get out. So it is what it is.
Isn't it nice having it all settled at the end of the day and not having to worry about a gap down like this in the market?
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. So again, right now it's a little too volatile for me. You can see it's on crack. Would have hit a target, but man, I'm just crazy. Look at these candles. Right? Again, this week is to me the final week of dialing in my strategy. And then February, it's game time. Now, look, here's the deal. These evaluation accounts are about to run out. So I figure, you know what? I might as well do some copy trading. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. They're going to reset here in like a couple days. So I'm going to actually, I don't know if I'm going to try to pass one, but I'm just going to try to focus on exactly how I'm going to do it whenever they reset. So I have a huge game plan, but I will tell you, I'll probably be trading these evaluations a little bit different as far as money management. Money management's the tricky part. Y'all have to kind of figure out. I spent all weekend trying to come up with some game plan for me. But, all right, 8:35. Market's bouncing around like crazy. Charles says, be very careful this morning if you're going to trade at all. He said don't even trade. But with this, like you said, the gap doesn't really phase us, right? We're just trying to pop these damn Urinkos. So we'll see what happens. So I am going to do it a little bit differently, though. I'm going to try. I think when I get my PAs, I'm going to start with one contract. Because I'm only going to be going for about $450 a day, maybe less. I might go for less. But with these evaluations, I think I'm going to start with two. But that's the key for me. I'm going to be trading the PAs a little bit different from a contract standpoint. I just don't want to do one right here because passing it, you know, whenever we get the PAs, I mean, shit, I might even be okay with $300 a day. I don't know yet, but we're not going to need a lot. I'm more focused on getting good. All right, so yeah, it's still kind of moving around, but thanks to Jeff and his auto trader dashboard, that's awesome. All right, here, I think I'm going to go ahead and take a shot if we get it. Yeah. So I'm actually ready to rock. Bam. What was that? Wait a minute. What happened? Oh my God, I hit the short instead of long. Are you kidding me? It went exactly like I wanted. I hit the fucking auto trader short instead of long. Oh, that is awful. Oh, man. It went up and hit my target, and I'm like, how am I down? Oh, that's awful. I don't even know. Hang on. This auto trader is giving me issues. Hang on. Hang on. This auto trader's kind of screwing me up real quick. Damn it. Well, good thing it's the evaluations. I went short instead of long, and I would have won. That absolutely blows. Damn it. Oh, well. Good thing it's an eval. I trade won, though. At least I look at it like it would have won. I just hit the wrong button. I'm using that dashboard, Jeff, and I hit short instead of long.
Yeah, we got to clean this thing up a little bit. I was afraid something like that was going to happen at some point.
Yeah, that's exactly what I just did.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I just did.
Yeah, we'll work on it.
Yeah, no, I mean, that's fine. Hey, I was right on the trade. What is going on? Hang on, I'm going to have to resync it really quick. This is wild. Hang on, I'm going to disconnect. Is it? Man, I don't even know what the fuck's going on here. Hang on. I'm going to lock this for a second here. Trading locked. I want to go over to my auto traders and see what's going on here. All right, let me just hit the button here. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like I just accidentally hit the wrong button. Put me down like $1,000-something bucks right off the bat. That's fucking crazy, bro. Well, that's a good lesson. Don't use the wrong auto trader. Yeah, it went up and I was excited. Then I looked at my P&L. I'm like, what? How the hell am I down $1,000? That is fucking crazy. That's all right. Good practice, right? Good practice. Don't hit the wrong auto trader. All right. That was nuts, by the way. And that would have started off so great. I was like, all right, it's awesome. Starting off with a win. Then it said I was down. I'm like, what? What's going on here? Hang on. Oh, I wanted to get in. I locked it. Figures. Oh, well. All sorts of problems with these technology, man. What's going on here? All right. Let's get back in the game here. We got us a swing high. I was all pumped up, though. I was like, all right, first trade, perfect, right in my direction. Absolutely not in the direction. All right. We're settled in now. You know what? That would have been nice right there. That if it was color coordinated or color, that would have helped me out. I hit the wrong one, but if it was colored a specific way, I would have never hit it the wrong one. Damn it. That would have been big. Yeah, I hit short, man. Damn it. But, I just started using that dashboard. You showed us Friday, and right now it was going so fast. Hit the wrong fucking one, dude. All right, that's fine. Man, this thing is bouncing around crazy right now. If we can get out of this mistake, that is going to be huge for the confidence. To start off down like $1,800 because I hit the wrong button, that would do a lot for the confidence. All right, swing high. Boy, this thing is moving fast. That's crazy, dude. It's pretty fun, though. I'm sure glad I wasn't my money down like $1,800 from a mistake. I would do that with Toss one time, and I think I was down like $5,000 right off the bat. It was real. Like, it's your money. It was crazy. Coming off a swing high. Oh, Jason, I messed up with the auto trader. I went long and it worked out perfectly, and I was down $1,800. I accidentally hit the short. I hit the short auto trader instead of the long auto trader. Yep. I was like, all right, first shot, first win. 1,800 down. I hit the fucking short button. Right over here, I hit short instead of long. Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, we got to work on getting that cleaned up. That's
I know,
the
bro.
So many charts, and because this thing will pick up a lot of stuff.
I know, that hurt too, man. That's like, I mean, the only good news is I'm getting these bugs out of the way for the evaluate. I actually am copy trading 4 accounts. So believe it or not, today I decided to copy trade because they're going to renew, and right off the bat, I made a mistake. What the fuck, dude? If I can get out of this hole, let me tell you something. If I can get out of this fucking hole, That would be huge. Bam. What's going on here? I don't know what's happening right now. Hang on. Well, I guess I won that trade, but I didn't even see it. Okay, so I won that trade, but hang on. I got to disconnect and reconnect. Because I won that trade, but I didn't see the what you call it, the orders. Oh, that one got waxed. Hang on. I got to switch the account. I messed up the damn Apex account. All right, hang on. Oh, that's the correct one. That was the problem. When I did that, because I decided to copy trade, it just destroyed some of those accounts. Let me see what I got to do, but that's okay. They're going to all renew anyway. I'm not really worried about that. Let me see here. Which one? Stop copy trading 3. Okay. Okay. I think we're good. We'll find out in a minute. Damn, that sucks too, man. That was perfect trade. Perfect trade. Yeah, that mistake blew up that one account right there. Huh. Isn't that crazy? Fucking son of a bitch. Damn it. Oh, well. An auto trade is crazy. Jeff, we can't color coordinate him, can we? Damn.
Well, the only thing you can color coordinate is the text down at the bottom.
The bottom, the text. Damn.
Oh, you're talking about the dashboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't. That's a drawback to that dashboard.
Damn.
Yeah, we'll work on it after hours. So
Yeah, that's cool.
better.
Oh, well. That's a good lesson that I just learned. Be very careful on that auto trader, because that sumbitch won. Oh, well. Now I'm definitely just practicing.
One thing I did this weekend, Jeff, is I went into the simulator.
Uh-huh.
Had a lot of practice on the simulator. That simulator is actually pretty good.
How do you do? You went to the simulator? I never even done that.
Yeah, it's I think Liz may have set it up for you. There's some sim accounts in there.
Okay.
And anyway, yeah, we can kind of go through it in the mastermind this morning. But man, I was just nailing it in the simulator.
Really?
And it's not, there's what I did was I just picked a time frame that was unfamiliar, like a couple of weeks back. So I wasn't trying to do this from memory how the market was moving. Yeah, I mean, it worked out good. And you can do big trades and stuff. So I mean, I was just nailing these suckers, just sim trading, and it's real time in the simulation.
Is it?
Right? It's not screwed up like TOS. That TOS simulator is real quirky. Yeah, but the sim trading is actually pretty good.
Wow, that's wild.
Yeah, you can really do a lot of back testing on your strategies and stuff in there for sure.
That is neat. Yeah, that is neat for sure. Oh well. That was quite the adventure getting into the wrong thing. Damn, man, this is tough this morning. It's like getting crushed. Man, I can't believe I hit the wrong one, dude. That was awful. That was really awful. That puts you in a bad frame of mind right off the bat.
Shake it off, buddy.
Yeah.
Got the whole day here. This is a good session.
Damn. All right. All right, now we got to swing high. We're kind of just flopping around sideways. It's pretty crazy here in the morning. This might be a little too volatile for a only a 30 tick stop loss in the morning. This might be a little bit too volatile.
Yeah, I could have made a lot more money. I'm up about 3 right now, and I haven't even been using the auto trader. I was hitting buys and sells, and I was using 30 ticks, and yeah, it was just like I was in, boom, out, in, boom, out.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, this is a good lesson. I might I don't know. Just pushing that wrong button right off the bat, man, that really pissed me off actually, because I had it win right off the bat, and then it went against me, and it said 1800, and that just pissed me off right off the bat. I was like, what?
Yeah, don't use that dashboard until we get a better version of it going there, because you got too much in there that's confusing with your dashboard.
I have a lot, and I don't know how to. Yeah, I have a lot in there.
Yeah. Just focus on what's in front of you.
Yeah, I got you, brother. All right. Right there, that red swing high. Fuck, man. Pissed me off. Wow. 30 ticks ain't going to cut it here in the morning. It's not going to cut it in the morning. It's getting killed. Yeah. That is absolutely insane.
I'd have passed the 50K already this morning. And I mean, your thinking is right, Jeff. I mean, I'm taking all the lessons you've been putting out there.
What are you trading? How are you, like, what are you doing right now?
Well, right now, what I'm doing on this crazy swing, I'm taking MDX crossovers.
Oh,
I know you don't like those, but man, I was simming it this weekend. I was killing it with it.
really?
Yeah.
And you're going for the MDX crossover on close? Well, obviously you are. Yes, you are doing close.
Yeah.
And you're only going for the 15 ticks?
I've got it set for 30 right now.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. I was playing with that. I was playing with 15. I played with 20, 25, 30. Seemed like I had a lot of winners at 30.
Really?
Yeah. Well, like I say, don't take that as the gospel. That was just.
Well, I'm just thinking, because the morning is extremely volatile, and that 30 tick stop loss is getting killed. But that MDX crossover, when it's fast like that, actually, that might be a good trade in the morning because it's just flopping around.
Yeah, I mean, my spread right now in my. Let me check it here really quick. I think I was playing with like 30 and 50. Yeah, I got like a 30-50 spread. I mean, I could take that bottom one and move it down a little bit, but I mean, I seem to be okay with it. You know.
30, you talking about 30 target, 50 stop?
30 target. Yeah, 50 stop.
That's interesting. Because in the morning, I could see that 30 tick stop may not be working for me in the morning. That might be more of an afternoon trade when it's less volatile.
I think you're right, because I mean, when I was simming it over the weekend, it was a kind of a sideways, and then we'd get a run, and then we'd go down and go sideways. And the 30 seemed to be pretty good as an average.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. I'd sim it first, man. I played with that sim. Just try your stops using the sim.
Huh. That's interesting.
Like I say, I haven't tried all combinations yet. That was just one that I sort of had some good luck with. But this morning, I mean, 30, I was in the trade for a blank on some of those, man.
Like a second, right?
Yeah.
So, but that's good. That's why I'm using this week, because I'm going to tell you right now, that 30 ticks here in the morning when it's moving crazy, nah, that was too out of control. And again, maybe it's because I just messed up in the beginning and pushed the wrong button, and after that it just got me out of whack.
Yeah, it did. And like I say, hey, that's behind you. So, forget about that. Nothing you can do about what's behind you.
Yeah. Just right off the bat it won, and I was like, all right. And then it said down like 1,800. And I was like, what?
Well, I'm going to try to do as much as I can on my 300K account over the next couple of days. So I'm going to be making some risky moves here, but just, again, we're just testing it out.
Absolutely. But that's good because, that MDX, so you've got a target of 30 and a stop of 50.
Yes.
Okay. You know what? And again, in the morning when things are moving so fast, that might not be the bad trade. That might be the perfect trade to do in the morning.
It could be. Yeah, it could be. Shoot, we're at the top of the hour already. Man, that went quick.
I know, right? That's something good to test. Good to test, because if you think about it, these crossovers, that's what it is. And when they cross over in the morning, things are moving so fast. It might be the route to go in the morning. Because I'm telling you, that 30 tick stop loss, I don't think that's going to be good for the morning, man, to be honest. Or at least before 9 o'clock. Maybe after 9 o'clock, but before 9 o'clock, I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
We might just have to do a different type of process, and MDX first 30 minutes. After that, switch back over to price action. I never thought about that actually.
I just had another one on that last trade. I took it at the 6. And
So, what is your thing set on? Mine didn't take it.
I'm doing manual. I'm not even doing the auto trader because this thing's going so fast. I'm just doing manual. I'm just doing a manual visual crossover.
Oh shit! So you're just buying when you get the X.
Yep.
Oh shit!
I get the cross, man.
That's actually not bad.
I could, I'm just sitting there watching these runs. I'm thinking about just dumping the stop on a couple of these and seeing what happens.
No, I'm not gonna do that. That's too. I would never do that with my PA. That's why you want to trade.
Yeah.
You want to trade this eval like you trade the PA.
Well, maybe what I'll do, I'm going to open this thing up just a little bit more. I'm going to set my stop a little lower, or a little, yeah.
There you go.
Let's see here.
So you're entering on bar close?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's see it. Let's see what you got here, brother. I'm glad. I mean, this is good because that actually kind of makes sense here in the morning when things are going crazy.
I could have picked that one up right there too.
Oh, my trade was locked. I wanted to do that as well when my trade was locked. Yeah. All right. You know what? Different logic in the morning.
I don't know. Might be crazy logic. I don't know yet. So I'm going to go to 60. That'll give me 2 to 1 the opposite direction. We'll go with that.
What are you going with? What are you going with?
I'm going 30-60.
Oh, 36. Okay. 30, 60, 30 target, 60 stop? Or the other way?
Yeah, 30 target, 60 stop.
All right.
Maybe I'll open up my top one just a little bit too.
Again, this is a perfect to get the bugs out this week. That's what it's all about. And that tells me something here in the morning. Man, all right, that worked.
Did you get one?
Yeah.
Right on, brother. Was that an auto trade?
Yeah, but I it only bought 1. Should have bought 4. Oh, I have my auto trader set on 1. I'm like, why did it only buy fucking 1? Damn it. That would have been a much larger win. Again, I'm fucking auto traders, man.
You got one.
Yeah, but I had only 1. That right there would have been a big win to put me back big. But again, because I'm still experimenting, I hadn't been using this auto trader. So this auto trader, I only had 1. Oh, well. Again, this might be the route to go in the morning. Or at least when things are going crazy.
Wow, this thing's going down now.
Did it stop? What happened? Oh, wow. Mine had stopped. All right. Yeah, because if you think about it, that crossover in the morning, that might not be a bad idea.
Well, when I was simming too, Jeff, I mean, I was doing I didn't try an afternoon sim.
But I don't know how to do this sim. Like, does it? I mean, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, we'll go through it real quick. It's not that difficult. It'll hang your chart up for a little bit when it's setting up, maybe about a minute, 2 minutes, but
okay, that one didn't work.
Do that one after hours.
That one didn't work.
No. That was a chopstick with a green bean in the middle.
Yeah.
I'm not taking anything to the high side right now. I should have, but
Yeah, it's just telling me in the morning, you got to be fucking very careful, bro.
and I can imagine some of the conversations the institutions are having with their clients right now.
Jeez. All right, so that was a good one. All right. So that one was good. I just hit that diamond trade, but again, man, it's like this is nuts.
Oh, that little baby diamond down there?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it didn't really form a diamond; it was just a rollover. I hit that one.
That second one kind of looks like a little bit of an inverted V, maybe.
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah, or V. Yeah, absolutely, dude. It's a good lesson though, right here. Number one, be very careful on that auto trader dashboard if you're going to use it, big time. And two, in the morning when things are moving, I think the trade I might have to try that MDX because that actually makes a lot of sense to me.
I know you've been against it, but I've been watching it several mornings, and I mean, I'm seeing some opportunities in there using it. I'm just,
Yeah,
I don't know. I'd sim it, man.
I don't know how to sim it.
Yeah, we'll get you there. We'll get everybody there on the sim.
Wow, nothing is working this morning.
I hit that one.
Wow, nothing's working over here on his price action. Nothing. Absolutely nothing is working on his price action.
It's not getting you into the trade, or just the.
No, the trade's not working. Like it's getting stopped out.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing is at. I mean, it's like it's just getting destroyed.
I mean, look at the range on this MDX right now. Look at that sucker. Just like a nice little sine wave.
I know, man. I'm telling you, you're right, bro.
I got to take a break. My fingers getting wore out.
Yeah, because you're doing it manually, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a tricky. Bam. He's like that one was a target. Kind of going back and forth, like hitting some, winning some, and just, jeez.
Yeah, I think this is.
It's out of control.
It's going to start. I think it's going to start going sideways now.
I don't know. It might. So what I need to do is 6. Well, that was a good test for me. Again, I'm not trying to pass these anyway, but I was
It took a little longer to get to my 60 or to get to my 40 that time. But it kind of stopped and reversed a little bit, and then it took off and hit it.
yeah. I don't even know what trade I just got in. Something we got in and lost something. I don't even know what trades I'm in right now.
What do you got enabled?
I don't even know, bro. I have MDX.
I've been kind of just watching, taking it, at the extremes, at the 6s and the 8s. I guess that's kind of the Terry thing, I suppose. I don't know.
No, he doesn't do that.
He doesn't?
No. But that's good. You do whatever. I mean, I've just kind of realized that before 9 o'clock, that 15 tick, 30 tick thing, that's not going to work.
Yeah, I think when it calms down in the afternoon, I think that's a lot better.
Yeah, it
spread.
is. This one's getting destroyed, dude. I don't even like know what's going on. It's getting bad over here. All right. Wow. Yeah. So literally just the MDX crossover, huh?
That's it.
That is interesting.
Just watching the MDX and watching the fast line. Well, I'm looking at some other things too. I mean, I'm still looking back up at my toss. I'm looking at my radiant fire. I'm looking at everything
Right.
up on toss, the VIX, the ADD,
Right.
And radiant fire's got it overbought right now.
That was crazy. That was absolutely insane. Wait, it said what? Number 2. All right.
So it's selling off.
Yeah, that was nuts. Yeah, see, now it's kind of died down a lot. It's not as volatile. You know what? I might just do that. I might try in the morning that first 30 minutes just using the MDX because, I mean, those crossovers can pay. And then, after 9 o'clock, kind of switching back to the price action.
Yeah, and I think the spreads that we're setting on our targets, I think is ripe for this MDX thing here. And I mean, like I say, I who knows? I mean, if it hadn't been set so tight, I don't know how much, we'd have been up this morning.
So, because the price action got killed, the 30 tick got absolutely destroyed. So, what are you doing? Okay, so let me write this down. On your target MDX, what was your first original one? Like, what are you going for?
And my first original one was 30 and 50. So 30 target, 50 stop.
I like that.
And now I've got it set for 40 and 60. 40 target, 60 stop.
Gotcha. Okay. No, that's cool. Because I think that's how I am going to do the, I think I'm going to try the MDX in the morning early because I don't have a problem with the other one. And it works. Just it was getting picked off too. The 30 ticks wasn't doing anything. Like it was getting destroyed. So that's how I think I'm gonna.
Oh, you were 1530, so that's how you were getting destroyed. I got you. Okay.
Yeah, it was. The stop loss was 30, and it was getting picked off like almost instantly.
Yeah. And see, I was 30 the other way.
Yeah.
And when it was going up, I mean, I was in a trade for maybe 2 seconds and it was like, bam, I was out.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It was like instantly.
So there's some rules being developed.
Correct.
Yeah. Based on what the market's doing at the moment.
Yeah. And in the morning, we know it's fast. So those MDXs, they might be perfect for the morning. Again, this is,
Well, my goal here at the end of the day is to be halfway to my 300K.
Wow. But that's good.
I've been slowly building it over the last, week and a half. And I'm like, well, screw this. I'm going to just pull the stops out, just go for it.
Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, mine's renewing in literally like a couple days. And I'm not going to keep those 300,000s anyway. So it's like, they're just sitting there. I hadn't even touched them.
Did she say anything Saturday if there were any sales coming up again?
No, she didn't talk about that. Yeah, she did not talk about that.
She did talk about it someday this week, though. She said she was going to talk to Apex and see if she could get another deal.
Oh, that'd be great. That'd be great.
But she said it takes some time.
That'd be great, though. Well, that was a good lesson learned for me here in the morning early. That small one at least didn't work for the to that. So that's good to know.
See, now, like right now, the action's starting to die down a little bit. I'm thinking about dialing it back to 30 and 50.
Yeah, because it's not moving. It ain't moving. It ain't moving at all now. This is like perfect now back for the price action.
I'm going to dial it back to 30. I'm going to leave the 60 alone. See what happens.
Yeah, that's how I'm going to do this. That's a good idea. That was a very interesting. And it started with a mistake right off the bat, hitting the wrong auto trader. That set me in a bad spot right off the bat.
Did you get those chopsticks?
No. Sure didn't, brother.
You can get poked in the eye with those chopsticks.
Oh, dude. You taking it off that Fibonacci like they talked about today, Saturday? Oh, shit, dude.
I'm going to have to watch that session now.
I don't think you're going to want to, actually.
Oh, okay.
It ain't going to do you any good, actually.
All right. Well, I'm glad I slept in then.
Yeah, it won't do you any good. Did Charles just say long and then he flipped around and put short? Charles said long 27 stop short. Like, what the heck? You talking about a stop in reverse? Holy crap.
That's what he did.
That's what he did, right?
Yep. Long 27, stop 27, short 25, stop 25.
Wow, that's insane.
The quicker clicker.
The quicker clicker. I like it.
Hey, Jeff T.
Yes, sir.
Have you considered using the 2 targets with break-even stop?
2 targets with break even. I haven't thought about that one yet.
What you can do is you can set a second target, but after it hits the first one, it'll move up to break even.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Or wherever you want it. You can actually move higher because there's an offset down there. So you set where you want it to go up, and then you can do an offset for where it goes with the reset stop.
Okay.
So that would give you a chance to do a run, or you just lose the $4 it costs for the fee for the
Sure.
future. But
Is
if you
that,
made 30 ticks and you had another one that was set for 60 and you ended up making 30 and losing 1 on the fee for the extra one.
is that the preset one that says 2 targets with break even stop?
Yes, but if you go to it, I actually have one that's 3 targets with break even stop that I set up.
Okay.
You can add another one, so I have targets of let me get to the right one. When Jeff was doing 15, I did a 15, 30, and a 40. And after it hits 15, it automatically goes to break even.
Okay.
So if you go to the stop all, it gives you a different setup down below. Break even level offset 0. Trigger offset 15. So I was at a 15 for the first one. When it triggers at 15, then it goes to break even on the other 2.
Okay. I have to play with that. Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, I was doing that with Pat, but we were trying to let it run forever. So that could be different now. You know, now the mentality's different. Before it was like me and Pat were just trying to take this trend and trying to run it to the moon, and it was all. See, this just price action trade worked perfect. I think when things calm down, they work a lot better on these price action entries. But in the morning, that MDX might be the route to go. When it's really volatile, just let it boom, do its thing.
Oh, I just learned something. So yeah, if you change your targets, I forgot to do the save on that configuration or rename it as something else.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. If you go to something else, then you go back, it goes to a preset.
Yeah. Let's see here. So I'm going to go back to 30.
Right here. I have one. What's it?
30, 60.
Yeah, Pat set all these crazy stuff up, and I'm like, what the hell? I don't even know what he did, dude. 2 targets with trail stop. I don't know. I have to figure out how to y'all do it. Just once you get it set and when you got it, let's talk about that today.
There's a great diamond crossover there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. In the morning, and now that the price action's died down, it seems to be a lot better. But that was kind of a good experience to realize that if you're going to do a 30 tick stop when it's volatile like that, you might be dead. But yeah, see, that's working. They look, I mean, it's died down now. So I think going back to the original thing I'm doing right in this instance is perfect. But in the morning, it just didn't work out that well at all, actually. I do want to buy some more $50,000 PAs, though, man. That's interesting, though, on that MDX that you just did that in the morning. See, it's not moving as fast now.
Yeah, exactly. And that's kind of what I'm looking forward to the afternoon when things really start to settle down.
Yeah, I'm curious. Yeah. And again, it actually makes 100% sense because the MDX is the crossover. And when things are moving, it can go up and then, but those are big swings usually.
Those are huge swings.
That's what I'm saying. That's like interesting.
So there's probably a point in this whole thing, unless it's really volatile. I mean, then you go back over to your price action auto traders.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Hey, Jeff, so John, take a look at my, see, like right here would be a diamond here, and it would just be kind of up there. Hey, so take a look at mine really quick. Look at my, okay, so how do you have it set up? Bam, that would probably have hit it too. Target 1.
Okay. What I set up was actually the 2 targets with break even.
Yeah. Okay.
You have 2 targets with trailing stop with.
Well, I can change it to break even. Just start with that would have hit right there. So
Okay,
right here.
so what do you want to do for your first one? If you want to go 15,
Yeah.
then how far do you want to go with the second one? So just hit target 2 and pick whatever your second target would be. Do I go 30? Do you want to go 40? What do you
I'm
want
gonna
to
go
do?
30. 30. Okay, and stop. That would have worked right there. See, that was nice. So 15, 30. All right. So here's my my stop. How do I do that?
I haven't changed it. I think you go down to type at the bottom. Move to break even. Wait up. Step 1, step 2. No.
But you got to do something here, no?
Okay. I just went to the one that said there was one already in there with 2 break evens. So I changed that one up at the top. So 2 targets with break even is how I started. You have 2 targets with trail stop, which Pat set up.
Yeah.
So
Where's it at here? That's what I'm. What does it look like exactly on your thing?
Jeff, what I'm saying is I never did it there. I did it with the drop down way up at the top.
Oh, 2 targets with break even.
With break even, and so I just set it in there. I just changed it and then I saved it.
Oh, it's already set up. Okay, duh. So what'd you put here?
What I had there was what I have there.
Man, that one worked as well. See, these diamonds are working now.
Is break even offset. He has 5, so that'll bump you up. So you get stop offset 5. Mine is actually set. Stop offset is set at. That's my 3. It's set at 30. You need to set it wherever you want it. If you're going to 15, you set that at 15.
So I don't want to know. All I need to know is how does yours look like? So right here where it says, okay, so one at a time. Right here where it says type, what does yours say?
Mine says stop, stop.
Okay, cool. How many do you have right there?
My offset there is 30. So the first stop is at 30.
Okay. And then down here to this group, what do you have right here where it says group?
Okay, group, all OCL group, that's correct. Now you need to go up to targets.
What does it have right here? Type.
Oh, there. Type is offset in ticks trigger, that's correct. Break even and then trigger offset. I have it where my first target was. So my trigger offset would be 15.
Okay.
And I have the break even at 0, so it goes right back to break even. You can offset that up a little bit if you want, but I just left it there.
So does yours look just like this?
That is what mine looks like.
Okay, beautiful. Now
and
what?
Then you want to hit this. You want to go to your save button.
Okay, so we got target 1, we got target 2,
right?
And then you got stop all, which is the 30 stop. And then right here, it's offset 0. So basically when it hits the first target, it moves to break even.
Right.
What is this trigger offset?
That is when it moves to break even. So when you hit your target of 15, that's the trigger. The offset trigger is 15. When it gets up 15 ticks, then it moves to break even.
Okay, so this is correct.
That is correct. That is the way I have it set up. I'm looking at my 3-part one, but everything you have is the same, so it's good. Just save it as whatever you want to call it.
Okay, beautiful.
I mean, you could save it as 2 targets with break even and just leave it there. But
yeah. Actually, I am going to do 2 targets with break even stop.
And just save it and just updated it to that setting.
So now I'm just going to see if it's still there. I'm going to switch it and then go back to 2 targets with break even stop. Here, 15, 15, 30. All right, perfect. Yeah, these diamonds are working hardcore now. I think after the market settles down, that's the route to go. Because it is it's crazy. Yeah. So like, here we go again. What's up, Andy?
Morning.
What up? There would have been the trigger again. Bam. There would have been the target. So that's it right there. After 9 o'clock, when things settle down, there's no news announcement. These diamonds work perfect. 15 target. 30 stop. Moves to break even. Trade like this is that's good. Yeah. All right. So here's what I'm going to do really quick. That was nuts. I'm going to tell you what, that was good because number one, you got to be careful on that auto trader. And two, that was good because I think in that first 30 minutes, that MDX might be the trade to go, man. It looks like it is, Jeff.
Yeah, I think so. Because see, like right now, what I'm looking at is like, okay, now it's starting to look more like price action.
Yeah, I mean, perfect. And every price action since it's calmed down has won. So, all right, let's do this. I'm going to lock it. That was nuts, but that was a fantastic learning experience. All right, we'll be back here again tomorrow. We'll see y'all in the mastermind group. For those of you on YouTube, what's up, David? Holy shit, dude. Crazy. All right, see y'all back here tomorrow. All right, y'all stick around. We're going to do options right now, and then we'll come back into this. But that was a good experience. All right.